Morning boys and girls. Today I am with Leah. I'm staying with Leah. I'm sleeping in Leah's house for a few weeks because her mammy and daddy are still working. So today we've decided to make
cloud dough.
Cloud dough. We've made it once or twice in creche before. So we're going to show you what we need. We need some corn flour and, do you remember what it's called?
No.
Conditioner.
Conditioner.
That's all we need, okay? So 2 seconds and we are going to measure out our ingredients of what we need. So when you have all your ingredients, what me and Leah did was we did 1 cup of our corn flour and half a cup of our conditioner. It can be any conditioner you want. It can smell, it can have different colours in it, whatever you want. We use Leah's Chip Cup. It's one of our favourite movies, isn't it?
Yes.
What's it called?
Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, imagine if I didn't even know. So once you have all your measurements in your bowls, make sure you stir them really, really well and get mommy or daddy to help. Okay, so once your ingredients are all mixed together, is it all sticky, Leah?
Yeah.
Is it good? Okay, pour it out onto your table. Doesn't matter.
Whoa, go out.
It will. There you go. Now pretend you're making cookies and mash it all together. Move it into a big bowl. See, it's not that sticky, is it?
No.
No. Then roll it around on the table.
Oh my god, it's sticking to the table like
It's
dough.
okay. Shh, don't tell Mom. Look, rub all that into it together.
Why are you giving me more flour?
You can stick it all together, because then that'll take the stickiness out of it.
It's sticking to my hand. Hey!
Shh, don't tell Mom. She won't give out to us.
I hope not.
So there you go, guys. When your cloud dough is made, you can play with it and make whatever shapes you want. So that's it from me and Leah. Say bye, Leah.
Bye bye.
See you soon. Bye.